Sean Walker. It's been a long time since we played Matchbox cars together.
Hey, Amy.
Hey, Sean.
What the hell have you been up to?
It's a bit of a longer story.
You look big.
Yeah.
To rekindling old friendships.
Cheers.
So where's home?
You know, I don't stay in one place for long.
International playboy. I feel you.
Oh, that was shot.
Everybody listen. We're all gonna wake up someplace different.
What?
Is everybody okay?
Are we on a plane?
Where's the nuclear warhead, Walker?
Or start tossing your friends out.
What?
So wait, Sean's a spy?
Let's jump to conclusions, okay?
We don't know if he's a good guy.
That guy said he was gonna throw us out of a plane. Only bad guys say that. What do you need, buddy?
Need to throw these guys off the plane. A nuclear warhead went missing. The CIA thinks it was me or us.
Get in the chopper, Sean.
Yeah, unfortunately, the timing of all this looks really bad for you guys.
Oh, God.
I got a plan.
We need to re-steal the bomb so we can get our lives back.
Ah, great. I was thinking it was gonna be something hard. What was that?
It's like a crunchy sound.
Yeah, it's
What was
like
it?
bodies.
You think they're okay?
Probably not.
Clean it up.
Won't be a problem.
Treat him like a human teabag.
I can't do what I do and drag the Matchbox gang around with me.
We had a friend.
Oh my God.
Take what you need.
I work alone.
Not anymore.
That was awesome.
Yeah, baby.
Move out the way.
Remember when we were kids and we used the Matchbox tow truck as a ramp?
Hey, when we tell this story, you leave this part out, okay?
Okay, and I never dropped the gun.
Deal.
Yep.